guys, this is Eleftheria Barbajani from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will show you a couple of tips on how to use affiliate marketing on Pinterest. First of all, speaking of affiliate marketing on Pinterest, you can do with a website and without a website or a blog. You know that very well. And also you need to remember that you need again to have a strategy on how much you want to earn, and have a little research on the products, and make sure you are having a plan on how to earn, for example, from $1,000 to $2,000. So you need to have a strategy, and remember again the products and the commission. I will put the link below on a free book that I created for you on how to make money from affiliate marketing on Pinterest, and there is a lot of strategies for free that you will not find anywhere else. Make sure you download it. Now, as you know, we have a lot of help. What you can do is you can sign up to your Pinterest business account, and you can go on trends, and you can see first of all what is trending. I check the term of higher frequency. It's more about spirituality and meditation, and something that I'm interested in, and energy and vibration. And as you can see here, there is a lot of trending search terms here, and it's giving you how much percentage is the trending at present. We're talking about today, this month, right? So this is what is trending. How to protect your energy is 60+%. How to raise your vibration is 145. So you get everything you need by percentage. And if you go further down on Pinterest trends, you can see creator spotlights. So before you add any pin or any boards that you created to fill them with your affiliates, for example, or any pins that you planning to create, you need to have a little research. Like for example, here you have the search terms in France, and you can get a lot of ideas, and you can go further down. Now let's go up again and click this term. You need to have a plan, what is searching, and then you can go back to the products that you're selling and make sure you have a very, very good viral pin. That's the way your pin is going to go viral, because otherwise it's not really going to work for you to just put the general keywords, and then you're not going to get any traffic. Okay, so how to raise your vibrations? Here we have a couple of pins when we click, so you can see here what is trending and what is not. So make sure you have a good research before you do any pins. And remember that depending on your niche, again, it's just an example, so you need to make sure that the products that you're selling, what products you have on your website, make sure you have relevant products on your website on the in relation to your products. So, and also make sure they're good quality. So there are a lot of things that you need to be careful in terms of your audience, and you need to have a strategy again, so you can make a lot of money. So you need to have a passive income. That's why, affiliate marketing is giving us monthly payments, but you need to have making sure that you have like a plan to get all those affiliates correctly, and starting from low and go to high. So you can see here a couple of other trends. Make sure you're checking all, have a lot of research. For example, the last resort. We're looking for resorts. So have a look through here. Best on inclusive resorts. That's very good. Wedding packages. So you can see here where people they're searching, and US Virgin Island, all inclusive, hotels, everything. So those are really good terms for you to search. And then the other thing you can do is to go on Google Trends. That's another one. You can get a lot of data from Google as well. As you can see here, what is trending, like yoga ball, gifts for new moms. So there is a lot of things, for example, now that you can sell, and you can have categories as well. For example, clothing, video games, toys. So you can have a lot of research, because it's really, really important for you to find the keywords to rank high on Pinterest. And of course, again, have a strategy on how you're gonna get from, like, for example, let's say $500 to $1,000, because you know some of the products that don't give a lot of commission. And I do have this free ebook that I explained to you what is, you know, the right terms and conditions, we can say, for you to choose the right product. So there are also here a couple of other trends, or Warner Brothers games, for instance, what is trending and present this week, fitness, gaming, and everything. So you can get a lot of ideas from here. So, and you can see also the countries, like this is trending in Panama, Honolulu, and all those other cities. So by mobile, you can see here. So it's giving you a lot of ideas. So this is something that you really need to get into, and then have a plan on, you know, what are you selling, how much is the product, and how many sales you need to do to get what you want to, you know, achieve. When it comes to, of course, you're doing your website traffic, but I'm talking about Pinterest at present, because it's really, really easy. As soon as you know you're starting using the system and the strategies I'm talking on my free book, you are gonna get what you want. So that is a couple of strategies and tips for affiliate marketing on Pinterest. And to be fair, guys, some of those tips, they will work. Some of them are working straight away. But you should be happy if you create a passive income, you know, a sustainable passive income. So you need to have, like, slowly get what you want. I get 1,000, sometimes I get 2,000. So I get, you know, make sure that I get higher every month. So this is something that you need also to consider. I use different platforms, so make sure you follow a strategy to become successful. And also, again, don't just ignore facts that you can get ideas from Google and from Pinterest, because it's both of the platforms, you know, they are actually using keywords, so you know that very well. And Pinterest is actually changing a lot. It's giving them more ideas and more you know, keywords expertise, so we don't really have to worry that much. So those are a couple of tips. I am giving you a plan also on my free book. You can download it. It's small and you can easily read it, and you can have a plan for yourself. And make sure you can leave your comments below this video, subscribe to my channel, connect with me on the social media, ask me anything you want on Twitter, on Facebook, and anything you might have, any question, please let me know and I will help you sort it out. So this is it for today, and take care.